take a closer look at how this high voltage cabinet operates with a one-time copper coating. Firstly, this is our incoming cabinet, and the high voltage power is supplied from bottom to top. Once the high voltage power is connected, we can discuss the overall setup, including the PT within the high voltage cabinet. The PT is installed at the bottom and serves the crucial purpose of detecting whether the external power lines are live and transmitting this information to Nansh River. It also measures the PT value for the secondary activity of converting high voltage to low voltage. Moving on, we have the essential components within the high voltage cabinet. One of them is the protective device against lightning strikes, which ensures safety during electrical surges. There is also a live display that lights up when the power is about to be connected from the external lines. These lights indicate that the external power is being supplied once the lights on the cabinet door are on. After the power enters the cabinet, there is a large high voltage current transformer. The absence of circles on some lines indicates that there is no leakage in the high voltage circuit. On the other hand, lines with two loops represent a large current transformer with two smaller ones, serving different functions in electricity measurement. Moving forward, we encounter the high voltage breaker, which can be manually operated. You may often wonder about the meaning of the double arrow symbol. It represents the two internal high voltage circuit breakers, which can be pushed in or pulled out. When pushed in, they connect the lower and upper power supplies through the high voltage breaker, but the breaker still remains open. Only when connected first, the lower and upper power supplies are connected and squeezed together. Afterward, we can close the high voltage breaker of the cabinet. Once the high voltage power supply is active, it proceeds to our current state. Subsequently, we use the high voltage cabinet bus bar to distribute the power to other measuring cabinets and other equipment. When other cabinets require power, we can close the outgoing cabinet and supply power to the devices below. Finally, we have a primary system diagram, which helps us understand the overall configuration. How can we interpret it effectively?